In this video, we are going to see how we can make the payment to our vendors against any pending invoices. So as you can see here, on 10th of January, payment made in check from Citibank to Franklin Textiles against the credit invoice number of this in full. That means we have paid in full within 10 days to obtain 2% discount within 10 days. What is this 2% discount? Let's scroll up. And on 3rd of January, we have entered that purchases from Franklin Textile. So this is the invoice amount and quantities. And also the vendor offers us 2% discount policy of the payment within 10 days. So from invoice date, let's see the payment date. On 3rd of January, invoice was entered. So it was supposed to be due in 1 month. But since we are clearing on 10th of January, which is just 7 days after, we are eligible to receive this discount of payment within 10 days. So we can obtain this 2% discount. At the time of entry of this purchase invoice, we have entered all of this discount policy and the discount amount as well. So if you want to make sure you understand that fully, you just go on that particular video to check that out. And now we are just paying for the amount. So let's see what amount it shows up. We simply go to the vendors and purchases section. And from here, we click on payables. As we see here, a full flow chart. We will follow that. Payables, click on payables. We are paying by Citibank. Click OK. We are paying to Franklin Textiles. And the payment date we have is 10th of January. That's most important. 10th of January. Mention the reference number. And let's click pay in full. So here we mention the memo. We just copy this transaction, paste it right here, and we paste it in the description as well. We put the reference number and all, and we are paying the vendor by Citibank. All set. But I think that the current period is actually in the clock is different from what we have in the project or what we have in the software. Because of that, it might not show the discount amount. So we have to manually write it. This multiply by 2%. So the discount amount should be 92,316. Let's mention it here. Let's scroll down to check the total amount. So the total amount, since we are eligible for 92,000 discount, 4615,800 should be the amount after discount. 4615,800. Okay, the discount amount was on this amount. 4710,000. So 94,200 we need to mention here. 94,200. This makes the total to 4615,800, and that amount is exactly mentioned here. So as I showed you, because the system date is set to February, so maybe that's why it's not picking up the right discount amount automatically. So what we have mentioned is we have manually calculated this discount amount and then we mentioned it. So click on save. And if we want to go back to check the journal entry effect, we can go back, click on journal, and discount taken is mentioned in here, Citibank and payables. So payable is reduced, it's debit. We have paid it against the bank. So this one is credit and the discount taken is credit. So that's how you do it. Just try it by yourself and I will see you in the next one.